So as you can see that we apply a Bollinger Band of period 50. As you can see, I'm touching it. You can see Bollinger Band period 50. Okay, good. And we apply a moving average, simple moving average of period 200, as you can see. Okay, now what does this mean? Okay, what does this mean? I want you to pay attention properly. Let us remove these lines that we put here. Let's delete these lines. Let's delete this one, and then any other one. No. Okay, now what does this mean? Let's zoom it down properly because I want to talk to you about Bollinger Band right now. Okay, I want you to focus on one thing. Look, when a Bollinger Band is going up, you will see separation of price from the lower band, and when a Bollinger Band is going down, you will see separation from the upper band like this. Look, okay, like this one, like this one. Okay, but I don't want you to focus on that. Just put that at the back of your mind, okay? Because there are too many things to learn in Forex, but just want to take it little by little with you and take it simple and easy. Okay, forget about this Bollinger Band that I talked to you about right now, but put it at the back of your mind. When you see a separation from the bottom like this, that the bottom is empty, it means Bollinger Band is going up. There's nothing to do. Bollinger Band is going up when you see empty bottom and you see empty top. Look, Bollinger Band is going down. Okay, now there's nothing we're gonna do about it. It's a piece of good information that I've given you right now, so that when you open your chart and you see a Bollinger Band, look, this is a separation from the top. This thing is going down. Okay, it is going down. In the long run, it is going down. Okay, it might do some things like go up a little bit, but in the long run, it is going down. Now, because of what? Separation from the top. Look, it might do this one, but we are having a separation from the top. Okay, that's why it's diving down, piercing down. Alright, but wait. Now, based on all these things, because we've seen a proof that the moving average is heading down, it's been trending down. We have been seeing the 1, 2, 3 that is heading down with this is a top, a low top. 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you are looking at this 1, 2, 3 with the color it gives you, this color is a sell. That's why we're going down. Just look at your chart at a glance and see what is going on. We're going down. Now, what does this mean? This means that if you notice the trend, like the moving average is heading down, and you have seen your pattern 1, 2, 3 giving you a down signal now, and you know the characteristics of a Bollinger Band, that if it's going down, there will be a kind of separation from the top. The top is going to be empty. The top is going to be empty. So what will you do? No, what will you do when you see a Bollinger Band with empty top? Okay, so what you will do is that you wait for the 1, 2, 3 pattern to be formed and alert you that 1, 2, 3 pattern is formed. Okay, now you have seen a previous empty top which shows Bollinger Band is going down. Great. What will you do when you get this 1, 2, 3 pattern formation? Look at the middle band of this Bollinger Band. Pen your order. Pen your order and then forget it. Yes, pen your order and forget it. Let me put a line. That's okay. You see the middle band. Pen your order on the middle band. At the point you get your signal of the 1, 2, 3 pattern. Have you seen it? And because you have seen a separation from the top, empty top, you have seen empty top, and you got your 1, 2, 3 pattern showing that you should sell. Now look, at the time you get the signal of that 3, pen your order on the middle band of that Bollinger Band. Pen your order on the middle band of that Bollinger Band to sell, because you got a 1, 2, 3 pattern. Once you get your 3, pen your order and forget it. You might say, okay, why should I forget it? Okay, I must tell you that you want to compound and maximize your profit. Okay, you want to compound and maximize your profit, and the reason why you're going to forget it is because, you see, this 3 is going to become 1. It became 1. Which means what? Which means, you know that 3 is always your entry, right? Look, it will go down and form another 3 somewhere lower than that. You got another 3 here. My dear, this is getting interesting. You got 3 here. At the formation or the sound of that 3, look at the middle band of this Bollinger Band. Pen your order here to sell it. Look, forget what it's doing now. Forget if it has done this, it has shoot down and come up. Look, this is a retest. Okay, a flat is gonna be done, and then it will shoot down. If I zoom the 1, 2, 3 for you, okay, I can't even zoom more than this, but you know, this is cool enough to tell you that you penned one order, it's in profit. You penned the second order at the middle band of the Bollinger Band, it's in profit. Okay, let's say you penned it. You penned it somewhere. Okay, at least this is the middle. Okay, it's gonna be in profit because you've seen empty tops. Empty top. The top is empty. Now it will go down. Okay, so if we want to do it in another cool way, okay, to show you properly that yes, to look at your chart at a glance, we're going to add a moving average of, let's say, 500 period. I'm so sorry, don't let us, we do exponential, then we don't want to add too many things. Okay, let us make the color to be like a red one. Great. Does it not tell you that we should concentrate on the downside because of the exponential is heading down, the Bollinger Band is heading down, right? And all you need to look for is just look for your 1, 2, 3. Once you get your 1, 2, 3, pen your order. Here we have 1, 2, 3. Pen your order for the middle band of this Bollinger Band, and go and wait for the next 3. This is the next 3. Pen your order on the middle band of the Bollinger Band and watch everything. Do you know why 3 is so significant? Like I'm going to tell you, because you don't want to miss that 3. 3 is so significant. 3 is going to become 1. 1 does not become anything. 3 is going to become 1. And that 3 is the one that comes closer to the moving average, giving you the cheapest entry price. Okay, let us zoom it again and see from where the 1, 2, 3 has started happening. Look, 1, 2, 3. It started happening all the way from here. Now, if you say, okay, it started happening, then you look at the middle band of that Bollinger Band. After the 3, you pen your order. Now look, tell me, how many pips have you taken all the way from here, from this 1, 2, 3? This is your first one, this is your second one, this is your third one. Now, how many have you eaten? Okay, because what is giving you anything is that this moving average, they are going down, especially the red exponential 500. I'm touching it. See, 500 exponential. So now, to spice it up so that you can see it properly, okay, because sometimes when you zoom something, it's not easy to be seen. Just make it this way. Have you seen it? There's nothing better than this. Like, you know what this is, that you know exactly how your chart is going to call you that, okay, a setup has happened, this and that, come and pick it up. So we're going to end this one here right now. In the next one, we're going to add a kind of indicator or another tool that will always call you as fast as possible when this exponential and this simple 500 and 200, when they cross each other, so that you can know quickly, or you can just know what direction to focus. Thank you.